Colorful greetings, creatures. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make an amazing all-natural flaxseed gel right in my kitchen. It's perfect for your hair and skin. Can also be used as a natural thickener for recipes. Plus it's super simple to make because you only need 2 ingredients. So I start off by adding half a cup of brown flax seeds to a bowl, and I purchased these from Faithful to Nature online. Next, I add in about 3 cups of boiling water. Make sure the seeds are completely submerged and give it a quick stir, then cover the bowl. Now, here's the trick. You'll want to let this sit for a couple of hours. I let mine sit for about up to 12 hours, and I know it sounds long, but it's totally worth it. The flax seeds need this time to release their natural mucilage, which gives the gel its fantastic texture. You'll notice as time goes on and the flax seeds release their mucilage that a beautiful thick gel starts to form, which is very slippery and has many great benefits for your hair and skin. This is the consistency you're aiming for. It should be thick and somewhat slimy. I love playing with this. When it's turned into a lovely ooey gooey gel, simply strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth. I read that you can try pantyhose, which I did, and it worked pretty well, but it also ended up tearing at some point, so the sift works just as well.
Oh no. How much of this do you need?
I pulled it too much.
No man, that thing is malleable. Just pull it out.
I know, but I don't have to spoon.
You can use this gel as is, but have a look at my video linked below where I show you some tricks on how to turn it into something even better. It's perfect for use as a natural hair gel or a soothing face mask. Here I'm using a bit of gel as a hair styling product. It's great for taming frizz and defining curls without the harsh chemicals found in store-bought gels. You can store the flaxseed gel in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and just give it a good stir before use each time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, natural DIY recipes and tips. These are my results of the flaxseed gel. I always find that it really defines my curls and elongates them, and I'm just so impressed with it. This gel also just leaves the hair feeling so soft and looking good for 2 to 3 days. So that's why I love it and recommend you try it. Thanks for watching, and leave me a comment with any suggestions for other natural skincare or hair care recipes I could try. Smooches!